Hi, are you staying in San Jose? Would you like to learn why Costa Rica is the most unique country in the world? You should take our guided walking tour of downtown San Jose. On our tour, you will see the city's important sites. You'll visit the National Theater, the magnificent Metropolitan Cathedral, and some amazing museums and art galleries. You will enjoy some of the city's parks and stroll through some of its pleasant neighborhoods. And equally important, you will learn about Costa Rica's history and culture. We will help you discover why Costa Rica is so different from its Latin American neighbors. You will begin to understand that this country is unlike any other in the world. Our walking tour of downtown San Jose takes between 2.5 and 3 hours, and it covers about 3 miles, or about 5 kilometers. This tour is a great way for people visiting San Jose to get the most out of their short stay in the city. Join us. Our walking tour of downtown San Jose is a fun way to learn about this beautiful country and to learn about its wonderful people. Thank you.